Hello everyone, welcome to Manova. So today in this video we are going to see the question from speed, distance and time. So first of all you have to try by your own, and after that I'll explain, or you can see my explanation. So the question is, in a 250-meter race, Ram defeats Shyam by 5 seconds. If the speed of Ram is 36 km per hour, then the speed of Shyam is. So here I can say this total distance is nothing but 250 meter. So this is nothing but your distance. Okay. And Ram defeats Shyam by 5 seconds. I can say ki Ram is 5 seconds faster than Shyam. And here it is given Ram's speed. So Ram's speed is in kilometer per hour. So first of all I'll say you ki how you have to convert the unit. Okay. If I say ki 1 kilometer per hour. So if you want to convert it into meter per second, then what you can do? 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meter upon 1 hour is nothing but 3600 second. How? In 1 hour there are 60 minutes and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 will be nothing but 3600. So this will get cancelled and I can say 2 5s and 2 18s. So you can say if you want to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, then what you have to do? You have to just multiply by 5 by 18. Okay. And now if I say you have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, means you want to do reverse. In that case you have to what? You have to just do reciprocal of this 5 by 18. So I can say directly 18 by 5. Okay. Just remember this thing. Okay. One thing also I want to explain, ki if I say I want to convert 18 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay. So what you can do? 18 into 5 by 18. So 18 will get cancelled and you will left with 5 meter per second. Okay. Means I can say easily ki 18 kilometer per hour is nothing but 5 meter per second. Is it correct? I want to convert 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Then this is nothing but the multiplier 18 twos are. Okay. So what I can do? 5 twos are. So that is nothing but 10 meter per second. It will give easily. Just multiply and you will get the value. Come on to the question. So this is total distance is nothing but 250 meter, and here Ram takes 36 km per hour. So it is nothing but 10 meter per second. I can say here I just found it. Okay. So 250 divided by what? This 10. This is nothing but distance total and this is nothing but speed. So distance upon speed is nothing but time. So this time is taken by Ram. You know? So if you will reduct it, you will get what? 25 second time. Now here it is given Ram defeats Shyam by 5 seconds, means Ram is faster. Okay. So Shyam is what? Shyam is slower na. So it will take more time. How much more time? 5 seconds more. I can say ki Shyam will take 30 seconds to cover this distance. Is it correct? Now what you have to do? You have to just find the speed. Okay, so how you can find the speed? Total distance upon time, that will give you a speed. So total distance is nothing but 250 and this 30 second is nothing but the total time taken by Shyam. But one thing is there, you have to, this is meter per second and you have to convert it into kilometer per hour because your answer is in kilometer per hour. So you have to multiply by 18 by 5. Okay, so just reduct it. 3 6 ja 18, 5 5 ja 25. So 6 5 ja is nothing but 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, so that is your option number A. Okay, so hope you are clear with this question. So if you like the discussion, please hit the like button. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and please make sure that you are sharing this lecture. That is really motivates us. Okay, so bye bye guys, take care.